Rochester has some of the best public schools. This year, Rochester City parents chose public schools with attendance rates exceeding 85% and 100% graduation rates. They chose schools with hands-on learning and small class sizes who were able to help their children with language and special learning needs. They chose schools that have unique offerings, including career exploration in health, science, technology, the arts, and vocational fields. They chose schools committed to their child's growth and well-being. They chose schools that offered in-person, full remote, and hybrid options to meet their needs during the pandemic. Rochester City parents even chose a U.S. News and World Report Best High School. This year, the parents of over 6,000 students chose a free public charter school education. What will you choose for your child? School choice is your choice. Find your right choice at GoodSchoolsRoc.org.